Algorand in a real sense is a mid-positioned coin with the ticker Algo that really has a kind of present worth of $0.185717 and a market capitalization of $1,493,729,269. Digital currencies by and large have long passed the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors, which is genuinely critical. These days, it's a resource class that basically is significantly controlled and, surprisingly, took on as legitimate delicate, or so they in every practical sense, thought. Some sort of huge speculation banks even by and large get Algorand and genuinely other digital currencies all at once to basically safeguard their resources under administration, against a running expansion that disables the customary monetary business sectors, which sort of is very critical. Presently, now is the ideal time to basically uncover our short, mid, and for the most part long-haul expectation of the improvements on the algo market that depend on the readings of our very exceptional crypto unpredictability file that truly assists us with checking the market feeling and expect where in which the market plans to go, which in every practical sense is very critical. At this point, the cost of Algorand really is $0.185717, while the coin right now especially ends up at 45th spot in the genuinely by and large positioning, or so they most certainly thought. The said truly positioning explicitly is assessed based on the resources by and large present value that in a real sense is duplicated by its extremely current market capitalization, a recipe that fundamentally is applied all through all monetary business sectors in a huge manner. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions so our clients get the most applicable information with respect to the presentation of computerized assets in their portfolios, which in a real sense is very huge. It's likewise critical to sort of consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing in an unpretentious manner. On January 12, the cost of Algorand generally was at $0.202538 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change really added up to 7.30% in a significant manner. 7 days prior, on January 6, Algo explicitly was esteemed at $0.196344, which in a real sense truly intends that from that point forward, the cost essentially has generally vacillated by 0% in a significant manner. A month prior, on December 13, the market member laid out the cost of Algorand at $0.200513. In this manner, the coin has made a 7.38% move to arrive at its current standings incredibly in fact. Nonetheless, as currently made sense of, the cost of Algorand isn't the main kind of factor that we generally consider while making the cost expectation in an unpretentious manner. It's likewise essential to truly keep a sort of sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to generally have an exceptionally clear perspective on where the market for the most part is going, or so they really thought. The examination of market capitalization fundamentally conveys genuinely equivalent significance in both digital money and conventional business sectors, or so they basically thought. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology is utilized to decide the kind of by and large position and fame of computerized resources and stocks, for example in a fundamentally enormous way. Changes in market capitalization sort of sure or sort of negative really are additionally characteristic of the manner by which the said market could generally be going, as well as the resources fundamentally potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both genuinely short and kind of long-haul points of view, or so they for the most part thought. This extremely specific pretty measurement basically is likewise used to check the strength of Algorand corresponding to the remainder of the digital money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition in a kind of significant manner. To explicitly decide the fundamentally current market capitalization of Algo, we generally duplicate the flowing stock, the boundary that will essentially be really made sense of later by the fundamentally present worth of the digital money under survey, which in every way that really matters is very critical. Starting today, the market capitalization of Algorand truly remains at $1,493,729,269, which shapes the reason for truly present fundamentally positioning by and large was referenced before. Yesterday, on January 12, Algo explicitly had a market capitalization of $1,628,566,485, or so they by and large thought. Keep going week, on January 6, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to in every practical sense was recorded at $1,577,313,715, showing how yesterday, on January 12, Algo generally had a market capitalization of $628,566,485 in a quite huge manner. A month prior, on December 13, the market worth of Algorand really was evaluated to generally be $605,433,902, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Complete Stock considers the quantity of coins that by and large have proactively been created by different means, for example, through mining, showing that these days, it's a resource class that generally is significantly managed and, surprisingly, took on as legitimate delicate incredibly. These digital currencies can in every practical sense be utilized either for dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers, exhibiting that keep going week. On January 6, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to explicitly was recorded at $1,577,313,715, showing how yesterday, on January 12, Algo especially had a market capitalization of $1,628,566,485. This measurement additionally calculates the coins that in a real sense have been gotten rid of through the cycle called consuming, which in every way that really matters is applied to control the expansion rate, which sort of is genuinely critical. At this point, the all-out supply of Algorand really is laid out at 8043030,179 Algo in a by and large huge manner. Finally, the circling supply in every practical sense is utilized to explicitly compute the market capitalization and truly evaluate the coins, especially current remaining in the positions. Which shows that Algorand sort of is a mid-positioned coin with the ticker Algo that by and large has an in every practical sense present worth of $0.185717 and a market capitalization of $1,493,729,269, which truly is genuinely critical. It signifies the especially by and large measure of Algo that truly is by and by exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that essentially are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly in a real sense, put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown in an unobtrusive manner. It's by and large certainly accepted that digital currencies that have a circling supply between 60 million and 150 million truly are the most reasonable for pretty long-haul venture, since they fundamentally are generally genuinely prone to truly see the value in esteem over a lengthy timeframe, conceivably many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate. Sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. At this point, Algorand has a circling supply of 8043030,179 coins, which for the most part is very huge. Over the precise beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with Algo arrived at the place of $78,069,520 in an unobtrusive manner. Yesterday, on January 12, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame remained at $96,629,674, exhibiting in any case, as currently made sense of, the cost of Algorand isn't the main certainly factor that would by and large consider while making the cost forecast, especially